If your iPhone has automatically deleted your text messages, please try these methods to fix the issue or, at the very least, prevent it from happening again. Fix 1. Check storage space. This can prevent the system from automatically clearing out data, including text messages. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on General and select iPhone Storage. Step 3. Review the breakdown of used and available storage. Step 4. Manage storage by deleting unnecessary apps or data. Fix 2. Update iOS. If you are currently using an outdated iOS version, the issue of iPhone automatically deleting messages may be caused by software errors. Step 1. Begin by accessing the Settings menu on your iPhone. Step 2. Locate and tap on the General option within the menu. Step 3. Proceed by selecting the Software Update button. Step 4. Finally, opt for the Download and Install option to initiate the update process for your iOS version. Fix 3. Change message settings. If your iPhone's message settings are configured to retain messages for 30 days or 1 year, the iPhone will automatically delete messages after the specified time period expires. Step 1. Tap the settings icon on your iPhone's home screen and scroll down to select Messages. Step 2. Select the Keep Messages option and then choose Forever from the available list. Fix 4. Turn off iCloud Sync. Next, you need to check if your iPhone has enabled the iCloud Sync for messages. If your iPhone has this feature enabled, your messages on the iPhone will stay consistent with those on iCloud. If you delete some messages on other devices, they will also be deleted on your iPhone through synchronization. Step 1. Access the Settings app and tap on your name. Step 2. Scroll through the options and choose iCloud. Step 3. Toggle off the switch for messages. Fix 5. Force restart iPhone. If none of the above methods can resolve the issue of your iPhone deletes text messages automatically, you can try force restarting your iPhone to clear some cache and errors.